Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Milton Washington Tech 1999 here. Today is August 20th, 2021, and I'm making this video quite a bit late. This will relate to the Reecom R-1630. So you guys don't know this yet until you see the title of the video, but this is a brand new Reecom R-1630. Switched out the old one for one that came with an adapter. They didn't just have the adapters, so I got a whole new radio. The other radio for now I'll keep as a backup just in case, but it's somewhere else. I'm making this video just because I'm too lazy to make an official edit, kind of like I did with the 74-109, and so I'm just throwing something together. I'm gonna do the switch out of the radio in the B-roll right about now, so you guys will see me opening the radio, going through all the accessories, switching everything out. The lighting's kind of garbage, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys. Since it is August, you'll see a little preview of what's going on through here. So we have 3 weekly tests, a national periodic test, and then another weekly test. So there's a little teaser at what's to come. I wasn't here to record any of the tests, and so my Nest Cam up there did all the work. So recording this part will make the editing and uploading that much easier for me. I've been putting it off big time. I just haven't felt like doing it. And now that I'm on sick leave due to having my brother test positive for COVID-19, I have 10 days to finish all of this, per se. So thank you guys again for watching. I will see you guys for the future uploads.